So what happens here? When electron jumps from infinite to given orbit, so then energy decreases from 0 to negative. Okay, so and also here, whenever the amount of energy required to remove electron from the outermost orbital, that one we call it as what here? Ionization energy. So what is ionization energy? Whenever we are removing an electron from the outermost orbit, that one we call it as ionization energy or ionization orbital. So then by this what we can say, ionization energy is equals to minus energy of the first orbit, we are going to say here. So electron in hydrogen atom can absorb only specific quantums of energies like 10.2 eV, 12.1 eV, 12.75 eV, but not all possible quantas. Okay, so this is about the energy of the electron. So now let us discuss about velocity of the electron. Velocity of electron is given by here, V is equals to 2 pi Z square by NH. Here mass is not considered. Why? Because here for a given atom Z is constant, so V is inversely proportional to 1 by N. So for if you consider two orbits, we are getting V1 by V2 is equals to N2 by N1. For hydrogen atom, the velocity of any orbit is given by V is equals to 2.18 into 10 power 8 by N centimeter per second. So in any orbit it is given by like species. If you consider Vn is equals to 2.18 into 10 to the power 8 into Z by N centimeter per second. Okay, so velocity of electron in first orbit for hydrogen atom is what here? 2 point for first orbit. If N is equals to 1, then V is equals to, for first orbit what we are having here, Vn is equals to 2.18 into 10 to the power 8 into Z by N centimeter per second. Okay, so here expression to find this revolutions per second. So number of revolutions per second, how much it is taking? Is equals to velocity by circumference. That one we can say Vn by 2 pi Rn. Okay, circumference of this cycle, what we can say? 2 pi R, Vn by 2 pi Rn. So by this what we can write? 2 pi, Vn is nothing but 2 pi E square by Nh into 1 by 2 pi. So what is the Rn value we are getting? 4 pi square by Me square by H square by H square N square. Okay, so we are getting here 4 pi square Me power 4 by, so 2 will get cancelled, pi will be get cancelled, so M 4 pi square Me power 4 by N cube H cube. So this is the value we are getting. So by calculating this value, means if you calculate charge of the mass, all will be getting, means 4 into pi value 3.14 square, mass of the electron will be 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 28, and charge of the electron will be 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 10 power 4 N cube into here 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 27 whole cube. By calculating this all, we will be getting 6.534 into 10 power 15 by N cube. So this is the number of revolutions per second we are taking. If suppose if you take time, this is about number of revolutions. If suppose if you take time, the time will be distance by time, distance by velocity, we call it as time. So by this the distance will be here, the distance of this circle 2 pi rn by Vn. Here also 2 pi into n square h square by 4 pi square me square into nh by 2 pi e cube. So by this what we can say, n cube h cube by 4 pi square me power 4. So by this t is directly proportional to n cube we can say. So by this what are the merits we can say? Merits of the Bohr's atom. Bose successfully explained about what here? Stability of atom. Successfully explained stability of atom and stationary orbit, and he derived radius energy and velocity of orbit also Bose has explained. So the given value of r is in coincide with the experimental value. So r, the radius is coincidence with experimental value we can say. Okay, so if you explanation of line spectrum, if you have taken, so automatically if you take delta E is equals to E2 minus E1, as we know total energy will be minus 2 pi square me power 4 by n square h square. So then E1 and E2 will be, E1 is equals to minus 2 pi square me power 4 by n1 square h square. E2 is equals to minus 2 pi square me power 4 by n2 square h square. If you substitute in this, as we know E2 minus E1 is equals to h mu, where mu is equals to E2 minus E1 by h, then you are getting 2 pi square me power 4 by h cube, h into h square h cube. So 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. This is the value we are getting. So this is about frequency. Then what about wave number? If you take wave number mu bar, this is frequency, then you are getting mu by c. C is nothing but what here? Propagation of light. Okay, so then you are getting here value 2 pi square me power 4 by c h cube 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So the capital R is Rydberg constant we can say. So this all will come under the Rydberg constant. So then mu bar is considered as R into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So this is nothing but Rydberg constant, which is having the value. By calculating this all value, we are getting here 109681 centimeter inverse. So this one is the almost equals to experimental value. So this is agreement between these two values. So by calculating this, c is nothing but propagation velocity of light here. So we are having nearly, the velocity of light is how much? We are having 3.316 in the, if you have observed in the previous some 3 points we are getting, that is 3.316 by n square we are getting. Okay, so this is nothing but propagation of light, or we can take 3 into 10 to the power 8. So what are the demerits we are going to have for Bohr's atom is, so he could not explain the, Bose-Modeloff can explain the spectrum of one electron species like hydrogen, helium and lithium. So he cannot explain. Okay, he could not explain what? Multiple atoms. He could not explain about the multiple atoms or ions. He can explain only one atom or one ion. That's all. He cannot explain remaining atoms, and also he cannot explain spectral lines in the line spectrum. Could not explain about spectral lines in the line spectrum. He could not explain about Zeeman effect and Stark effect, and also he could not explain about chemical bonds also. Could not explain about what here? Stark effect and Zeeman effect. Stark effect means what? The spectral lines in the presence of electric field. Spectral lines in a electric field, we call it as Stark effect. Zeeman effect means what? Spectral lines in the presence of magnetic field, we call it as Zeeman effect. He could not explain. These are the demerits of the Bohr's model. By this Bohr's atomic model we have completed. Let us discuss tomorrow about the quantum mechanical considerations subatomic particles. Thank you.